Struggling with a kitchen that never has enough space? These space-saving kitchen designs and clever storage ideas reveal smart solutions you've probably never seen before. From hidden compartments to genius layouts that maximize every inch, they make your kitchen feel bigger, cleaner, and far more functional. Check the links in the description to explore them all. This kitchen works like a chef's workshop. Every zone is planned to keep tools close, organized, and ready when you need them. Rotating storage units spin a full circle, giving you instant access behind sleek glass fronts. Sliding worktops and hidden cabinets reshape the space as you cook, prep, or serve. You get professional-level function wrapped in a calm, architectural design that feels effortless. Your sink just became the smartest spot in the kitchen. This all-in-one water station blends the faucet, sink, and storage into one seamless system that almost disappears when not in use. With a simple touch, you control water temperature, flow, and even special options like chilled, sparkling, or boiling water, all delivered instantly. A hidden cover can lower or lift to reveal the sink, while water still flows smoothly without splashing. Maximize under-counter space with a fridge that adapts to your needs. This built-in unit fits flush with your cabinets for a seamless, modern look. 2 smart tri-mode drawers let you switch between fridge, freezer, or fresco zones, keeping meat, veggies, and dairy perfectly stored. Rapid cooling mode chills food fast, while the clear OLED display makes temperature adjustments simple. Premium stainless steel and an antibacterial interior make it easy to clean and stylish at the same time. Open your drawer and feel the difference instantly. This slim glass inner drawer adds a sleek, modern layer inside your cabinet. The low glass sides keep everything visible while preventing spills and clutter. Smooth damping technology means it glides open and closes softly, without noise or slamming. With a strong steel build and easy height and side adjustments, you get quiet performance that lasts for years. Lost items at the back of your pantry are a thing of the past. This Pullout Larder unit slides the entire contents out to you in one smooth motion. Tiered shelves keep jars, cans, and bottles neatly visible, so nothing gets forgotten or wasted. The tall, slim design packs a surprising amount of storage into a narrow cabinet. Just pull once and everything is right at your fingertips. Emptying the dishwasher just got easier and fun. The Quadro Pullout Runners let the top rack glide smoothly, moving plates and glasses gently every time. This fridge feels more like a smart assistant than an appliance. A large touchscreen lets you manage groceries, play music, follow recipes. Kitchen chores just got futuristic. This smart lift-up dish and spice rack rises and lowers at your command, either with a gentle touch or a simple voice call. Intelligent sensors stop it instantly if anything gets in the way, so no more worrying about pinched fingers. Soft LED lighting guides you in the dark, and the sleek aluminum frame keeps it lightweight, rust-proof, and easy to clean. With flexible layout options and a smooth hydraulic lift, it's like having a personal kitchen assistant at your fingertips. Clear countertops without hiding convenience. This wall appliance garage tucks away everyday gadgets like toasters, coffee makers, and air fryers. When you need them, just open the door and they're ready to use. Close it, and your kitchen instantly looks clean and polished. It's an easy way to keep appliances accessible while maintaining a sleek, clutter-free space. Even the floor can store more than you think. This hidden toe kick drawer tucks neatly under your base cabinets, perfect for small or awkward items. Just tap it with your toe and it pops open, no bending or handles needed. Soft close glides ensure it shuts quietly, while sturdy dovetail construction keeps it lasting for years. With natural birch and a protective finish, it's a clever and stylish way to use every inch of your kitchen. Your countertop secretly doubles as a stove. This invisible induction cooktop hides completely beneath the surface, heating pans right through the material. Place compatible cookware on top, and it starts cooking, while the counter itself stays cool to the touch. When you're done, the space goes back to looking like a normal work area. It's perfect for small kitchens, RVs, or anyone who wants a clean, futuristic look without visible burners. Dull walls don't stand a chance. These peel and stick mirror subway tiles instantly add shine and depth to your space. Just remove the backing and press them into place. No messy grout or complicated tools. The beveled edges reflect light beautifully, making your kitchen or bathroom look bigger and brighter. Use them as a backsplash, accent wall, or even for DIY projects that need a touch of glam. Meet the dining set that adapts to your life. This transformer table extends effortlessly, seating anywhere from 2 to 12 people, perfect for everyday meals or unexpected guests. It arrives fully pre-assembled, so you can use it right out of the box, no tools, no hassle. Built to resist heat, scratches, spills, and stains, it stays beautiful through years of family dinners. Stylish, practical, and versatile. It's the ultimate solution for a kitchen or dining space that needs to do more. Wine night just got an upgrade. This built-in wine dispenser stores and serves your favorite bottles at the perfect temperature. 2 separate zones let you keep reds and whites exactly how you like them. Argon gas seals in flavor, so each pour tastes fresh even weeks later. With the touch of a button, you can pour a small taste or a full glass whenever you want. Charge everything fast and safe. These outlets fit right into a drawer, giving you multiple USB-C, USB-A, and AC ports without cluttering your counters. 65. WW USB-C ports power devices at lightning speed, while built-in smart sensors prevent overheating and overcurrent issues. Short cords keep your drawer tidy, and push-to-connect design makes charging effortless. It's the perfect way to keep phones, tablets, and laptops ready to go in a sleek, organized setup. Meet the dinner table that hides in plain sight. This pull-out table sits completely flush under your countertop and slides out whenever you need a small dining surface. Perfect for tiny kitchens or quick meals, it gives you extra cooking and ventilation in one sleek package. This induction hob has a built-in extractor that pulls smoke and steam straight down, keeping your kitchen air fresh. 4 cooking zones heat fast, and the power boost option gives extra speed when you need it. Touch controls make adjusting heat and timer settings simple, while the child lock keeps things safe. Plus, the frameless design cleans easily, so your countertop stays spotless. Maximize those tricky corner cabinets with a clever twist. This 270-degree swivel basket brings every item in the back right to your fingertips. 2 layers of storage keep dishes, spices, or pantry items organized and easy to reach. Adjustable height and universal alignment mean it fits almost any corner perfectly. Durable metal and sleek dark gray finish make it both practical and stylish in your kitchen. Your countertop and sink become one seamless masterpiece. These integrated stone sinks are crafted from the same material as your countertop, giving a sleek, custom look that's impossible to ignore. Each sink is made to your exact size and design preferences, whether undermounted, farm style, or freestanding. Water drains perfectly thanks to precise shaping, and finishes can be polished or matte. It's a stunning, durable solution that turns everyday kitchen or bathroom tasks into a luxurious experience. Clutter disappears in seconds. This smart pocket door cabinet keeps your kitchen looking calm and organized. The doors slide smoothly into hidden side pockets, so nothing swings out or gets in your way. You can leave it open while cooking, then close it to hide appliances and create a clean, seamless wall. Add drawers inside, and you get even more smart storage without sacrificing style. Your kitchen stays sleek until it's time to cook. This hidden downdraft vent rises up from the counter the moment you need it. It pulls smoke, steam, and odors straight down and away instead of hovering overhead. When you're done, it lowers back out of sight to keep clean lines and open views. Built-in filters help trap grease and smells, so the air feels fresh again, fast. The kitchen that moves when you do. This ultra-luxury kitchen responds to a simple wave of your hand, opening and closing cabinets like magic. The V-Motion system uses smart sensors, so you don't have to touch a thing. That means cleaner surfaces and effortless control while you cook. It's sleek, futuristic, and makes you feel like your kitchen is truly working for you. Stylish storage meets timeless design. The Salcombe Larder unit in Sage features a soft, durable oak top and chunky legs that give it presence in any room. Its generous interior provides plenty of space for pantry items, dishes, or kitchen essentials. Choose between sleek chrome or antique knobs to match your style. Classic yet versatile, this unit blends traditional charm with contemporary flair while keeping your space organized and beautiful. Cooking smells don't stand a chance here. This smart kitchen hood listens to your voice or responds to a simple hand wave, so you stay in control without touching anything. Powerful suction quickly pulls away smoke and grease, keeping your kitchen fresh while you cook. The auto clean feature takes care of oil buildup for you, saving time and effort. With multiple speed settings and built-in lighting, you get a cleaner, brighter, more effortless cooking experience. Think of a cabinet that practically opens itself. This wall unit has an electric motor that moves the glass slats effortlessly. Tap once and the bottom half glides up for quick access. Tap again and the slats rise all the way, giving you a full view of everything inside. With built-in collision protection and sparkling glass shelves, it's safe, sleek, and turns your kitchen into a showpiece. Turn your kitchen into a full culinary hub. The Galley Workstation is a handcrafted system that lets you prep, cook, serve, and clean all in one organized space. Multi-tiered stainless steel basins, heavy-duty grates, and sound-reducing tech keep everything efficient and quiet. Customizable tools, cutting boards, and serving stations make meal prep easy, while integrated design keeps mess contained. It's a complete setup that makes cooking fun, social, and stress-free. Fresh food deserves 5-star treatment. This classic French door refrigerator keeps everything perfectly organized and beautifully lit. An intelligent cooling system adjusts temperature and humidity to help your groceries stay fresher, longer. Inside, bright LED lighting reduces shadows so you see every shelf clearly. You even get filtered water from a hidden internal dispenser, plus a freezer with flexible storage and boosted ice production when you need it most. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.